Mama duck said, rinse, rinse, rinse. And three little ducks got squeaky clean since. Splish, splash, quack, quack, hooray! Bath time fun every day. Rubber duckies, bubbles too. Bath time's fun for me and you. Three little ducks with tails to scrub had so much fun in the bubbly tub. Mama duck said, don't forget your feet. And two little ducks got nice and neat. Two little ducks had bubbles galore. They washed their tummies and asked for more. Mama duck said, scrub, scrub your back. And one little duck gave a happy quack. One little duck swam all around, splishing and splashing, bubbles abound. Mama duck said, time to dry and play. And five little ducks were clean today. Splish, splash, quack, quack, hooray! Bath time fun every day. Rubber duckies, bubbles too. Bath time's fun for